So today I'm recording a video of how to decrease lag in Fortnite, and you don't even have to turn Fortnite on for this. So uh so let's move this more like this. So here you've got the timer resolution. I can't really show you this, but basically I'll explain this later. So I'll start off with the easiest thing. So you just go to %temp%. It's a folder. You're into it, and then depending how old your computer is, just delete everything in here. Do this for all current items. Skip. Do this for. I don't know why that didn't work. I don't think I marked it. But here, we've got these two things, but like, I've got the Discord on, and I don't really know what this is on for, but like, temp means temporary, so no need to be scared. If you need any help with this, like, you can't find this for some reason, here you've got how to go to it, like, different, so you go here, this PC, and I do not remember how. Local disk, okay, yeah, I can't remember, one sec. So you go to this PC, local disk, users, to this one, to the one that you're on, and then update. Oh, I can't. I don't know. I can't find it. You just write %temp%, or you can open. I'm pressing Alt, or you can open %temp here. You do it by pressing this and this, and you've got it. I don't know, I'm like confused right now. I don't know what I was trying to do there, but we can close out this. We've got our kill. We're gonna open this. Oh, I'm sorry, you can probably hear some background noises right now, but here you've got this, but look, this is the time. So we open Arkill, download in the description. You press yes, and after a bit this can run in the background. I'll close this, go back to it later. So here we've got timer resolution, and if you guys know what input delay is, it's when you edit something, it takes a bit of time to it takes time to confirm. So this is the usual one. You just press maximum here, and how to check if this is good. Basically, here you see the timer resolution. Here, it takes no CPU usage, disk usage, or network usage, so it won't like lag your computer out. And let's go back to Arkill. So it didn't find anything. So now if you turn this off, here it's updated to my time. So you guys enjoy. Yeah, so you guys enjoy, and this is the end of my first video on this channel, because it's old.